Hello everyone, how you doing? Well, finally I've got my Piper CUB ready to be mounted. I've got all the pieces printed here on my table. I will start with the fuselage, and well, basically I'm in this place that's full of stuff, planes, helicopters, and even a boat, and it's very small, so I will place my phone like this here. I'm using the front camera to make sure that I am showing what I want to show, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna put just some glue here. This glue is great because it gives you a lot of time until it gets dry and you can move the pieces. It's much better than CA glue. I'll place this part like this. Well, now we have the fuselage mounted. We have glued together all the parts of the fuselage, and we have used 4 screws for the motor holder and also for the F1 to the F2. And now that we have all this structure glued together, this is like the frame of the plane. It's where the most interesting part starts. We have to remind to get the push rods. It's 1 millimeters or 1.2 millimeters push rods pass through these holes here. Okay, because if we don't do this right now, we will not be able to do this later. So we pass that to here and here and here. Okay, we left them back here. Both of them. I'm gonna do the same with this one. I'm gonna press over these holes here. I have cut 2 pieces of foam board. It's just without paying that much attention. I just put this on top of the plane. I just cut it like that without being very careful because it's not very important. You'll see right now. We're gonna glue it. Now is where the most important thing comes, and it's that we need to cut this. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is gonna put it like this, and we're gonna cut it starting from here. Okay, 2, 3, that's fine. same. I don't know if it's easy to see or not, but well, basically, I'm not very tidy, but we have something that's extremely strong. It's very strong and very light. Oh wow, this is our fuselage almost ready with the foam on the lipperts. Okay, I'm gonna use this masking tape. I had found yellow masking tape to protect the foam board and to make it stronger. So I'm gonna start with this part here. Okay, now we have this that looks a lot more like a Piper cab than ever. Well, okay, for the wheels I have used these two screws with bolts. I don't know if you can see these bolts with little piece of plastic that makes them tight, and I have this piece here. This is 3 bolts, and then we will add a little rubber band here just to make this stronger, okay? But basically, and this is why we had loaded this, because we need this to make a hole here. It is not very easy. Allow this to come more. Okay. Okay. We will work on this later. Now it's barely a fuselage. There. I get some glue. Both sides, especially the bottom. And now I'm gonna just put it like this and just push it to the stop. Same with this one here. and on this side and push it like this. I will add a little bit more of glue here. That's perfect. And basically we have a fuselage ready to add wings and the rest of the parts of the plane. Let's make a post now.